Tired of boring chairs that never feel comfy? Wait till you see this giant, fluffy beanbag cover. It honestly feels like sitting on a cloud. I've always wanted one of those cozy beanbags, but the full ones can be super expensive. Then I found the Rainbean beanbag chair cover, and it completely solved that problem. It's made from ultra-soft PV velvet that feels warm, smooth, and luxurious to touch. The size is huge, 5 feet wide, so it's perfect for lounging, reading, gaming, or even taking a nap. The dark gray color looks clean and modern, and it fits perfectly into my living room setup. It also has a strong hidden zipper, which makes it easy to fill with memory foam, bean fillers, or even old blankets. Cleaning is simple too. Just unzip and wash. The best part? It gives you the comfort of a full beanbag. If you love your Stanley Cup, you're going to love this new accessory, the Stanley Snack Tray. It's a food-grade silicone snack bowl that fits perfectly on top of your 30-O's Stanley tumbler. I didn't realize how much I needed this until I tried it. Now I can sip my drink and snack at the same time. No more juggling bowls or making a mess while watching Netflix or working. The silicone material is super soft, safe, and easy to clean. It's BPA-free, non-toxic, and totally reusable. Plus, it comes with a straw cover, so your drink stays clean even when you're snacking on chips, nuts, or fruit. The fit is snug, so it doesn't wobble or spill, and the black color gives it a sleek, minimal look that matches any Stanley Cup. Honestly, the pros are huge. It's convenient, durable, and makes life just a bit more fun. The only con? It's designed for the 30-O's cup, so it won't fit larger sizes. But if you've got the 30-O's Stanley, this snack tray is a must-have. It's the perfect combo of style and practicality. Grab one and take your snacking game to the next level.